Hey neighbors, welcome to Edgecliff Village. This is a well-established small town that was founded in the early 1950s that might just be perfect for you. And you're in luck because behind me is my latest listing at 11 Beechcreek Drive. This 1.5-story home has been well taken care of by one owner since it was built in 2010, and it is the perfect blank canvas for a new owner to make it their own. It's wonderfully located and feeds into Crowley ISD, but its prime location allows you entrance into two charter schools, Texas School of Arts and IDEA Edgecliff. Because you're so close to 35 and I-20, you are an easy commute to downtown Fort Worth, about 15 minutes away from TCU, and less than 10 minutes away from Hulen Mall and all of the dining and shopping opportunities that are in the area. The property itself sits in a beautifully quiet neighborhood that has sidewalks, and you're just across the street from the community playground and pool. The home offers beautiful landscaping, mature trees, and a beautiful brick elevation that has stone accents. Inside, you have 4 bedrooms, 2 of those primary suites, 3 full bathrooms, a large office, 2 dining rooms, 2 living rooms, a skylight in the kitchen, a wall of windows that allows in a ton of natural light, and an extended patio that is perfect for sunbathing or barbecuing to your heart's content. I know that you are going to love this home, so let's go take a look. If you like what you saw and you would like to take your own private showing, be sure to give me a call or shoot me a text at 817-771-9445. You can also find more information about this home online at joshuasherman.remax.com. Until next time, bye neighbors.